वेरी वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म पर वीटी। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो कि पिछले 3 सालों में आईपीमेट एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए। हैव द पैटर्न चेंज्ड और इट हैज रिमेन्ड द सेम। आई हैव मेड अ टेबल जहां पर हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स, क्या वेटेज सभी टॉपिक्स का ऑलमोस्ट ड्यूरिंग दिस ईयर हैव रिमेन कांस्टेंट या फिर उसमें थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस आए हैं। So some of the key takeaways from today's session is about ki what are the high weightage topic for this year IPMET. How does the what is the importance of different topic? Algebra ज़्यादा important है कि geometry ज़्यादा important है, and so on. So previous 3 साल के ऊपर the table will give you a clear picture कि what is the weightage of each and every topic, क्या वो fluctuating है और it is majorly constant. So let's try to see QA and DI. The essay and the MCQ part is what I have made the comparative study of these two things. सबसे पहले comes out arithmetic. Arithmetic 2023 में 954. So weightage of arithmetic is definitely like falling down. But the counter argument is कि ये जो logical DI आया था इसमें 5 question was arithmetic only. So 5 was from arithmetic. So basically you can say, sir, overall if you include the DI as well, it was 7 to 8 because DI was including that percentage increase, percentage decrease kind of thing, which is a part of arithmetic only. Now the second part is number system. Number system में भी fluctuations हैं, sometime 4 to 5. This is the most latest one. 25 is the most latest one. 4 to 5. So we can say on an average 3 to 4 questions are expected from here as well. Sir, 5 to 6 questions are expected from here as well. Basic TW, TSD, time and work, average, mixture, allocation and so on. Now comes the big boss, algebra with higher algebra. I have given it a name, algebra with higher algebra. Look at the weightage, 16, 16, 13. So its weightage is drastically rising. What are the topics I've included in algebra plus higher algebra? Entire algebra, including binomial and matrices determinant questions as well. So what was the entire algebra? Sir, quadratic, polynomials, logarithms, functions, bit of graph, modulus, inequality. I've taken everything inside algebra. Then in higher algebra, I have taken those part of matrices determinant and binomial as well. However, I must say कि algebra ही ज़्यादा है, higher algebra फिर भी कम. Modern maths, including the topics of PNC, prob, and set theory. So let's have a look at these topics, how they are. They were 7, 7, and 4. So for past years, they were having a good weightage. This year it was a bit reduced, but we did not take a chance. So it's an important topic as of now as well. So PNC, probabilities and statics will give you somewhere around 5 to 6 questions for sure. And here 16 odd questions from here. GMT, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry. Geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, a consistent performer, a consistent 6 to 7 question across all 3 years. Uniform weightage across all 3 years. No fluctuations whatsoever. Throughout 6 से 7 question important, including geometry, coordinate geometry, trigonometry and mensuration. Mensuration majorly 2D, sometimes 3D as well. So GMT is a consistent 7 odd question given topic. You should not be skipping it just by thinking कि कितना ही weightage होगा. Next, DI, logical DI, logical DA. Data arrangement or arithmetic DA. 5, 6, 9. Do you know why this 9 is there? Because there was 2 sets this year. One is from DA, data arrangement. Another is from arithmetic based DA. So 8. One question was from games and tournament. So that is why it was constituting to 9. In 2023, it would have been one set of data arrangement In 2024, there may be two sets, one of data arrangement and one of maybe something arithmetic kind of DI or maybe something games and tournament and all. Then comes the last part, which is stats. Yeah, something of mean median mode gets important. मीन मीडियन मोड भी पढ़ के जाना बहुत जरूरी है. They can come handy in, they can come handy either in arithmetic or in some DA DI sets. So no weightage, two weightage. There was two important questions from over here and one from here. So these are certain things which you should be taking care of. इसके अगले वाले पेज पर I have taken कि what are the important topics from these bigger topics. इन टॉपिक्स के क्या क्या सब टॉपिक्स हैं जो हमें डेफिनेटली पढ़ने हैं या फिर जिनके वेटेज हायर रहे हैं इन द एग्जामिनेशन. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू फ्रॉम हियर टू नेक्स्ट पेज. अभी तक के की टेकअवेज, अलजेब्रा विद अलजेब्रा इज वेरी डोमिनेटिंग. सेकंड की टेकअवे, ज्योमेट्री इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, वी कैन नॉट स्किप इट. थर्ड टेकअवे, मॉडर्न मैथ्स, पीएनसी, प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड सेट थ्योरी. ओनली 3 टॉपिक बट गिविंग लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, 6-7 क्वेश्चंस. Arithmetic is gradually decreasing, but we cannot avoid it because what do you say कि उसका arithmetic based DI आ सकता है, तो basics तो हमारे अच्छे होने चाहिए. Now let's move on to this. This is the further classification I have done, जहाँ पर हम topic wise बात करेंगे, topic wise देखेंगे कि कौन सा topic कितना ज़्यादा आ रहा है. For example, arithmetic में in Ipmat 2026, only 4 questions were there, and from where they were, TW, time inverse, time speed distance, SI, CI, ages. तो क्या समझ में आता है कि हमें कम से कम अगर if we are not able to read other topics, we should be definitely doing these, if not anything else. Number system. So from where number system questions were getting made? They were from remainder, factors, and divisibility theorem. And it is uniform across 3 years. It is not only in Ipmat 2026. ये हमेशा से पैटर्न देखा गया है कि नंबर सिस्टम के क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से आएंगे? डिविजिबिलिटी, फैक्टर, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम्स से मेजरली आएंगे. तीन चीजें जरूर पढ़ के जाना है, डिविजिबिलिटी, रिमाइंडर, फैक्टर थ्योरम. बाकी सब भी पढ़ना है, वेल एंड गुड. अगर नहीं पढ़ पाए कम से कम ये तीन जरूर पढ़ के जाना है. From where these algebra 16 questions are coming? They are majorly coming from progressions, AP, GP, HP, and spatial series. Miscellaneous spatial series along with AP, GP, HP are constituting the major part. Logarithms, log के questions, log और inequality मिला के, log और modulus मिला के. So merging log inequality, merging log modulus is something which is important. Polynomials. I've kept everything inside polynomials. For example, it is linear, it is quadratic, it is whatever is there, I've kept inside polynomials. Higher degree equations भी आ जाती हैं, तो higher degree equations को भी मैंने polynomials के अंदर रखा है. Matrices, determinant and modulus is also there. Matrices, determinant and modulus is also there. So 16 to 15 questions. This is how they are constituted. The what are the key takeaways? The log जरूर करना है, अच्छे से करना है. Modulus अच्छे से, modulus, polynomials, quadratic, cubic अच्छे से करना है, and progressions बहुत अच्छे से करना है. Modern maths, set theory, PNC, probability. The weightage was 2-1-1. 2-1-1. So PNC, set theory, PNC, probability. This is what you need to also read. GMT 7 questions, consistent, how they look like, कहाँ से कितने ज़्यादा questions आते हैं. Geometry plus mensuration and coordinate geometry. Geometry is the planar geometry जहाँ पर हम triangles, quadrilaterals, circles और उनके 2D figures की बात करते हैं. And coordinate geometry where we talk about straight line and circles. तो straight line और circles and this planar part is more and coordinate part is less. But if I go back and see the previous trend, coordinate geometry is increasing. So now it is becoming comparable to the planar geometry. Planar geometry means learning the basic triangles, quadrilaterals and circle properties with the figure and with the mensuration part. Now the coordinate part is also playing an important role. consisting of straight lines, circles, and everything else. Okay. DI logical DI. This year it was in huge numbers. 3 questions were from arrangement, 5 questions was from tabular DI, that was arithmetic based, and then 1 question was from games and tournament. I've summarized all this. What are the important topics which is constituting an important part? क्या important topics निकल के आ रहे हैं by reading all this? So undoubtedly, algebra with higher algebra is the most important part for Ipmat preparation this year as well. Algebra with higher algebra will still play the major role. There cannot be anything more than this. This year as well. What are the key areas to work upon? You have somewhat around a month and few days. What are the things you can work upon? If you can just do 15 topics, what they could be. For example, you just have a privilege to do 15 topics. तो वो 15 टॉपिक क्या हो सकते हैं? I might have written it down. Go for basic algebra, linear equations, surd indices की basic properties. Go for higher degree polynomials and quadratic equations. Surd indices, basic properties, polynomials, quadratic equation, log, progression. So basically, I've taken entire algebra, just keeping aside modulus and equality in functions. Entire algebra I've taken on the priority. Modulus and equality functions को अभी थोड़ा दूर रखते हुए. Now, what you should be doing while in arithmetic for sure. Arithmetic में अगर if we are leaving something, then what we should be doing something. So we should be definitely doing TW and TST. TW TST तो हमें करने ही चाहिए, if not anything else. Geometry and coordinate geometry, just because of its consistent performance in the examination. Again, a continuous 7 questions, 28 marks, 28 marks is the cutoff of one of the sections. So it's a huge number. Permutation combinations for sure, because it has the weightage. And it is there. It can be along with numbers, it can be used with probability, it can be used with certain other topics as well. Number system. What in number system you should be definitely reading? Factors, divisibility rules, and factorial. Along with, if you can read some remainder theorems. So these are the key topics what you should be covering in the next few days or in the next month, to make sure you maximize your paper, you maximize your attempt in the paper. This does not mean to leave away all the other things. This is just the high weightage topic what we figure out from the previous table. Previous table से जो निकल के आया है वो हमने figure out किया है कि this is how it is. Okay. So let's move on to the next slide. What it is. Now it is basically about the promotion. It was a short video where I discussed about the important topics. So if we want to connect the entire thing, what we have seen today, what are those? Sir, algebra करना है, log करना है, progressions करना है, log, progressions, quadratic, higher degree polynomials करना है, साथ में geometry, planar geometry, coordinate geometry भी करना है. We cannot subdue the part of functions, graph and other things को थोड़ा postpone कर सकते हैं till the later days, but these are things जो कि हमें भी clarity पे करनी है, because इनका weightage consistently काफी high रहा है. Geometry को भी हमें avoid नहीं करना है, because geometry is still playing a very important role, giving a consistent 7 questions throughout. So geometry is playing a major role. These are the certain ways where you can connect with us, because a lot of live videos and other different videos are lined up. We are also solving the previous year questions live every day at 2 and 6. So you can like join those as well. And these are medias where you can connect. This is the Telegram channel. This is the Instagram handle. again a sub discussion group of on Telegram. So a short informative video where we have discussed about the previous year trends. What are the things which have to be absolutely done in the first phase? What can be postponed to the second phase? And what are the topics which even those the names, there can be some names जो यहाँ पर आए ही नहीं. तो what are those topics which can be postponed to the third phase? कि अगर हम उन्हें नहीं भी देख पाए, एक बार नहीं जाके रिमाइंड कर पाए, then also it is not a cause of concern because their weightage is going to be lower set. For example, binomial का example ले लेते हैं. Binomial आया है, कभी आया है, कभी नहीं आया है. तो if you are not that good at binomial, it is not a big problem. Matrices determinant सर आया है, PNC और probability के साथ बहुत बार आया है. If you are not that good at M&D, it can work out. It can work out. But what cannot work out is the weakness at quadratic, log and progressions and some kind of geometry as well. So if you are spending your time, spend it wisely, not about like the topic which you have a lot of interest in, but spend your time wisely in the topics जिनका की weightage बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, I hope I have made my point. So with this, we are winding up this session. I hope you had some clarity over the how to study in the next 1.5 months. मिलते हैं हम अगले सेशन में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम, सी यू.